Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we coloring alphabets. First we are using the color of red. Kids, subscribe to our channel. First we coloring the alphabet of A. The next one is B. Subscribe to our channel. B for ball, B for bat. Kids, the next one is C. C for cow, C for cat. And the next one is D. D for dog, D for dog. The next one is E. E for egg, E for elephant. The next one is F. F for fish, F for fan. The next one is G. G for God, G for gorilla. Subscribe to our channel. The next one is H. Now we're using the color of yellow. Kids, subscribe to our channel. Now we're mixing and using the color of yellow. H. The next one is I. And the next one is J. J for joker, J for jackfruit. The next one is K. And the next one is L. L for lion, L for lemon. Subscribe to our channel. The next one is M. M for moon, M for mango. The next one is N. N for nose, N for nest. Subscribe to our channel. The next one is O. O for orange, O for octopus. Now we're coloring the alphabet of P. The next one is Q. And the next one is R. R for rose, R for rice. R for rose, R for rice. S. And the next one is T. The next one is U. And now we're coloring the alphabet of V. V for van, V for vanilla. The next one is W. Now we are using the color of blue. Kids, subscribe to our channel. Now we're mixing and using the color of blue. The alphabet of W. The next one is X. X for X-ray, X for Xmas tree. Now we're coloring Y. Y for yolk. And the last one is Z. Z for zoo, Z for zebra. Today we draw and coloring alphabets A to Z. Kids, now we're coloring 2D shapes. First we're coloring the shape of star, and now we are using again the color of blue. Subscribe to our channel. First we're coloring the shape of star. Now we are using blue color. Subscribe to our channel. The shape of star. Kids, the next one is pentagon. Now we are using the color of green. Now we're mixing and using the color of green. Subscribe to our channel. the shape of pentagon. The next one is square. Now we are coloring the shape of square. Kids, now we're using yellow color. The next one is triangle, the shape of triangle. Now we are using the color of red. Now we're mixing and using the color of red. Subscribe to our channel. Kids, the next one is circle. The shape of circle, we are again using red color. The shape of circle. The last one is trapezoid. Now we are using the color of blue. Now we are mixing and using the color of blue. Subscribe to our channel. Today we draw and coloring 3D shapes. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.